Welcome back to my channel, Count Your Blessings. Hope you all are doing good, staying home and staying safe. Well, with Mother's Day being just a day away and we being held up in our houses, not being able to get the best Mother's Day gifts for our mothers and grandmothers, etc., I just thought I'd share with you a few simple and easy craft projects that the kids and anyone can make to make Mother's Day special for them. I would also like to let you know that this is my entry for the DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sonboul over at Happily Thriving Heidi. Thank you, Heidi, for this wonderful challenge. Please be sure to check the playlist and Heidi's 2 channels in the description box below. Now, without further ado, let's get started. I would also like to take this opportunity to wish all the mothers and grandmothers and aunts and every motherly figure out there a very happy Mother's Day. I know all of you are doing a lot, and especially at this time when everyone is at home, the mothers in the house have more work added to their shoulders. All of you are doing a really great job, and remember that you guys are awesome. Don't ever doubt that even for 1 second.
First, I gave the kids some plain computer paper and asked them to draw whatever they wanted to draw. They had their own ideas of the gifts that they wanted to give, and I let them use their creativity. Then, for this first one, I cut out the butterfly, and I cut out 2 strips of paper and made it into a spring and stuck it to this second piece of paper so that it looked like the butterfly was flying. For this rocket one, I folded the paper in half so that I could cut 2 rockets at the same time, and then I made an accordion fold with a small strip of paper and attached 1 piece of the rocket in front and 1 at the back so that you could open the rocket to reveal the message. Those are first 2 DIYs. You would also see how there were some extra fittings at the end to this rocket card. For the next DIY, I took these craft sticks or popsicle sticks and asked the kids to paint them. And I took a picture of the boys with my grandmother, their great-grandmother, and since the sticks were small, I couldn't make a proper frame, so I made a house frame. And the boys wrote Happy Mother's Day Archie and their names. And this was the 3rd DIY. For the 4th one, I took another picture with the boys and turned it over and stuck the popsicle sticks on them, and this I wanted to make into a puzzle. So I lined up the popsicle sticks and glued them with Fevicol and added a heavy book and let it dry for some time. Once it was dry, I turned it over and using a blade and scissors combo, I cut it up into pieces. I also made the boys write Happy Mother's Day. And in order to make the frame for it to stand, I just used notepad paper, stuck them together with sellotape, made it a see-through frame, put 2 sellotapes at the back to make it into a holding for the sticks. And since the message was double-sided, on the front side it had the picture and on the other side it had the For the 5th one, I just took a picture of my sister and myself and our mother and placed it on a piece of cardboard and traced around it to make a house cutout. I also trimmed the photo a bit, and using a snapper blade, I cut out the house design. After cutting it out, I placed it in between two of the notepad sheets and glued it to give it a prettier look. And then I cut out one side and fold it over to give it a neater look. Next step, I took a ruler and a black color pencil and drew lines across to make it look like shiplap. And then I cut the edge of the photo in scallop and stuck it on the bottom half of the house. And then I took a sketch pen and wrote the message on top. Do such great jobs, and they make our house a home. How many of you come home and search for your mother? Let me know down in the comments below. The house feels very empty if she's not around. This is actually a very good opportunity to thank our mothers for all the sacrifices they have done for us all through the years. Thank you, Amma, for all that you've done. Here you can see how the butterfly is flying, and I wrapped up the puzzle. And the boys also made another one similar to the butterfly with a flower in it. I'll leave the video with the directions to make this boat in the description box, and add a flag to it with Happy Mother's Day, I love you. And they colored it here like that. And the final DIY idea is just take 4 picture frames. These are the ones that I bought at Home Center, and they were priced at rupees 59. These are 4x6, and I've taken 4 pictures of the boys, and I'm going to insert them in it. You can either keep these separately and give them as separate gifts, or you can keep them together and make them into a lampshade. You can attach them with a glue gun, and if you want to make it as a lighter, you just need to remove the backing and stick the photo and put a lighted LED candle inside, and it would glow up. And as you can see, I added a stand for both the frames with some leftover piece of cardboard. You These are actually green tea boxes. And here you can see the rocket card. We cut out a heart shape and wrote the message on it and stuck the heart to the accordion fold.
Mother's Day crafts are ready. Thank you, Heidi, for this wonderful challenge. Please be sure to check the playlist below for all the other lovely entries. Hope you all have a wonderful Mother's Day, although this will be a different one. And until next time, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Smile Jesus loves you.